We want to state the position vector of A relative to B. What this means is, if we're at B, how do we get to A? Or how do we get to A from B? Suppose we're at B. To get to A, we could go 5 units across, and then we would need to go up by 7 units. So the position vector of A relative to B is 5, 7. If we now consider B relative to A, this means that we're standing at A and we want to state how we would get to B. If we look at it, B relative to A is just going to be the opposite, starting at A and going to B. So therefore we're going to go left by 5 and downwards by 7. For A relative to C, this means that we're at C and we want to state how we would get to A. So consider that we're standing at C. To get to A, we would need to go to the left by 3 units and then upwards by 8 units. When dealing with this, my policy is always to draw a sketch, and then it's very easy to work out relative position vectors.